Welcome to the K3 Pebblestone demo video for K3 Pebblestone Assembly Bill of Material. This functionality is part of the K3 Pebblestone app. To support the manufacturing light scenario, the Assembly BOM has been extended with colours and sizes. It is now possible to attach an Assembly BOM to an item, which states the fabric and materials used to create this item. The materials and items are available in separate lists within K3 Pebblestone. There is an item list. There is a material list. The Boolean material makes it possible to promote an item to a material. In this demo video, an Assembly BOM is set up for the polo in 5 colours and 3 sizes. Go to the polo number 10004 and open the Assembly BOM. Choose the fabric which will be used to create this polo shirt. For the base size medium, the consumption will be 90 centimetres. There are 3 buttons needed for the polo. There is 100 meters yarn needed to stitch the polo. One brand label. One size label. Every polo has a transfer print on the front of the polo shirt. The default size for this Assembly BOM is medium. This means that the consumption will be based on the default size. The Boolean inherit colour makes it possible to inherit the colour of the polo shirt. The pink polo will be made from pink fabric, and the aqua polo will be made from the aqua fabric. The fabric colour can be inherited from the colour of the item, the polo itself. For a medium polo, the consumption is 90 centimetres, but for the size bigger, there is an extra 5% needed. The size smaller needs 5% less fabric. For the yarn, the consumption is 100 metres for size medium. The size bigger, there is an extra 20 metres needed, and for the size smaller, there is 20 metres less yarn needed. Matrix size. Quantity per. Shows the consumption of all the colours and sizes. Matrix size. Size. Shows if materials differ per size. For example, the size label is different per size. Matrix colour, component. Shows the item numbers per material and can be changed on colour level if needed. Matrix colour, colour. Shows the different colours per material. The Assembly BOM sheet shows all the information of the Assembly BOM which is needed to share with third parties, which are involved in the production on the items. Colour. Colour matrix. Colour. Component matrix. Size. Size matrix. Size. Quantity matrix. That's it in this episode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.